What are my goals in my life? Life goals often center on achieving personal happiness, financial stability, and meaningful relationship through international actionable steps. Common objectives include building a successful career, ensuring physical and mental well-being, fostering deep personal connections, and pursuing continuous in growth personal growth. Mm, Personal life, uh, to home student self-sufficient. I want to grow my own food and energy independent, build a trunky self-sufficient cabin garden and farming homest committed 100 acres, travel New Zealand, the travel New Zealand. My goals, attitudes, attitudes, artistic, education, physical, pleasure, public, career, family, financial. Financial. What is your goal in your life? For instance, you want to buy a luxury car, have a balanced diet every day, or build the home of your dreams with your family. These are some common goals. They could be small or big, short or long term, or the specific as losing certain amount of weight. Everything depends on what you want and achieve. What are the top three goals in life? The top three goals in life center around personal fulfillment, strong relationship, love connection, and health wellness, physical mental well-being, alongside career, financial stability, making positive contribution to the world through individual priorities vary. These foundational goals provide a framework for achieving a balanced, satisfying life encompassing joy, purpose, and security. What is your goal? Best answer. One of my life to gain valuable industry knowledge and experience. As this is an entry level position, I hope to work for company to gain new skills to develop an idea I can contribute to the organization. One of my goal to reserve as a role model managing. What are good five good personal? Learn new language. Use language learning. Read more books. Read at least one book per month. Find a new hobby. Try to new hobby and spend time once a week.